Hello, this is the November 2024 video edition of the Iowa General Fund Monthly Revenue Memo. I'm Eric Richardson, Senior Fiscal Analyst for the Iowa Legislative Services Agency, the nonpartisan support agency of the Iowa Legislature. This November video memo will discuss Iowa net general fund revenue for fiscal year 2025 through December 3rd. In November 2023, the Iowa Department of Revenue began depositing individual income tax into the suspense account, delaying processing for that tax by at least a business day. Changes in the past 3 years to deposit processing, as well as 2022 changes to the due dates for sales tax, make revenue analysis performed through the end of the last day of a calendar month incomplete and often misleading. For that reason, the LSA's monthly video memos present information through at least the first day of the following month after the deposit processing and due date changes have cleared the accounting system. For November 2024, the issues were eliminated with transactions processed on December 3rd. Through December 3rd and on a fiscal year basis, net receipts decreased $55 million or 1.8%. For the fiscal year, individual income tax has increased by $233 million or 18.3%, partially due to pass-through entity tax or PTET reallocations from other taxes as tax credit claims are processed by the Department of Revenue. Sales and use tax collections have increased by $33 million or 3%, while corporate income tax has experienced significant contraction in FY 2025 thus far, decreasing $103 million or negative 33.8%. Other taxes have also decreased by $215 million or negative 93% due to the implementation of the PTET in FY 2024, which was enacted in 2023 Iowa Act's House File 352 and is retroactive to January 1st, 2022. Other tax net revenue during FY 2024 included PTET revenue from prior tax years due to elections made during FY 2024. As part of House File 352, tax credits are due to taxpayers affected by the PTET and will offset PTET revenue collected during FY 2024 and FY 2025. Other taxes are expected to decrease in FY 2025 compared to FY 2024 due to this process. Breaking net revenue into gross receipts and refunds, the current revenue situation looks stronger. Gross revenues through December 3rd are up 0.3%, but total net revenue growth comes in lower than net due to a 32% increase in regular tax refunds, along with a 5.6% decrease in sales tax transfers out of the general fund to the school infrastructure fund. At negative 1.8% year-to-date growth, general fund receipts growth is weaker than November, but is currently above the negative 5.3% growth rate for the entire fiscal year, as projected at the October 2024 meeting of the Revenue Estimating Conference. The Revenue Estimating Conference projected a decrease for this fiscal year, FY 2025, which reflects the expected impact of tax reductions that are effective beginning January 1st, 2025. On that date, Iowa's top individual income tax rate will decrease from 5.7% to a flat tax of 3.8%. The insurance premium tax will decrease from 0.95% to 0.925%. The inheritance tax will be reduced from 2% to 0%, fully eliminating the tax. And the franchise tax will further decrease from 4.4% to 4.1%. The Revenue Estimating Conference will meet again on December 12th, 2024, to evaluate and project state general fund revenue for fiscal years 2025 and 2026. I thank you for your time. Goodbye, and please check out the next monthly video memo in early January.